Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing well. So let's discuss the new question here. If x equal to 2 cos t minus cos 2t and y equal to 2 sin t minus sin 2t, then find the value of d2y by dx square at t equal to pi by 2. So guys, option is a equal to 3 by 2, b equal to minus 3 by 2, c is a 5 by 2 and d equal to minus 5 by 2. So now first write down the key point to solve this question. की पॉईंट काय आहे या क्वेश्चनला सॉल्व करण्याचा. तर आपल्याला माहिती आहे की डी वाय बाय डी एक्स कसा फाइंड करायचा आपल्याला. डी वाय बाय डी एक्स डी वाय बाय डी टी होल डिवायडेड बाय डी एक्स बाय डी टी. ठीक आहे, या दोन गोष्टीवरून तुम्हाला फाइंड करता येईल डी वाय बाय डी एक्स. आणि त्यानंतर डी वाय बाय डी एक्सला अगेन तुम्हाला डिफरन्शिएट करायचं आहे डी टू वाय बाय डी एक्स स्क्वेअर. म्हणजे तुम्हाला सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड करायचा आहे ॲट टी इक्वल टू हाऊ मच पाय बाय 2. बस, तर तुम्हाला स्टेप बाय स्टेप हा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करायचा आहे गाईज. काय दिलेलं आहे गिवन एक्स. सो लेट्स ट्राय टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. गिवन एक्स इक्वल टू 2 cos t minus cos 2t. So if you differentiate with respect to x, so it becomes dx by dt equal to minus 2 sin t minus plus 2 sin of 2t. Okay, so this is the first term. Next term we will take on the next slide, that is dy by dt. Next y equal to what is here 2 sin t minus sin 2t. 2 sin t minus sin 2t. So if we differentiate with respect to t, it will becomes 2 cos t minus 2 cos sin 2t is a cos 2t into 2. Okay, so then what is the value of dy by dx guys? Dy by dx equal to, we know, so dy by dt, that is a 2 cos t minus 2 cos 2t divided by minus 2 sin t plus 2 sin t minus 2 sin t plus 2 sin 2t, right? So guys, this is the value of dy by dx. But now if you simplify this, okay, so it can be written as, if you cancel the 2, if you take the common of 2 outside, it becomes cos t minus cos 2t whole divided by, it becomes sin 2t minus sin t, right? So we can use here the formula for cos a minus cos b and sin a minus sin b. So it can be written as 2 sin, no, in the numerator cos c minus cos d means 2 sin 3t by 2 into sin t by 2 whole divided by 2 cos 3t by 2 into sin t by 2. So guys, here sin t by 2 will get cancelled, 2 will get cancelled. Sin 3t by 2 upon cos 3t by 2 will be tan 3t by 2. So guys, this is the required value of dy by dx. But what we have to find? We have to find the d2y by dx square, right? So try to find the second derivative here. So write down in the next page. So guys, if the dy by dx equal to tan of 3t by 2, so d2y by dx square will be tan sec square of 3t by 2 into 3 by 2, okay, into dt by dx. So we have to substitute these values. Sec square of 3t by 2 into 3 by 2. So dt by dx means dx by dt in the denominator. So it will be 2 sin 2t minus 2 sin t. So guys, we get the value of d2y by dx square. So just substitute here at t equal to how much? At t equal to pi by 2. So if we substitute this pi by 2 here, you will get sec square of 3 into pi by 2, means it becomes pi by 4 into 3 by 2 whole divided by 2 sine sine it becomes pi, right? 2 sine pi by 2 means sine pi minus 2 sine pi by 2. So it gives you minus 3 by 2 value, that is a d2y by dx square at t equal to pi by 2. So guys, this will be your final answer, that is minus 3 by 2. So let's check which option is correct one. Option number second or option number B will be the correct option guys. I hope guys सगळ्यांना क्वेश्चन समजला असेल. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.